Hey y'all, how are you doing? If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be getting into the Blue Moon Color Pop Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. And they got some really cute blues in here. The first color I want to go ahead and dip into is this color right here, Moonlight. And then I'm just going to dab that like right above the lid. Actually a really pretty blue. And then I'm just going to slowly go back and forth just to blend out any of the color or spots that I've missed. The next color we're going to go ahead and go into is Starry Night. And then I'm just going to place that right under where we placed this color. Oh wow, that is bright. It gives it a nice transition shade compared to the other side. Well y'all, so I just got a knock at the door. Y'all can skip ahead of this part, but I've been waiting for this today. I actually took a nap to kill some time. I was woken up early in the morning anyways by noisy workers working on I guess yard work. They do that like almost every day. And they've been patching up the roofs outside, so you're banging as soon as it hits 7 a.m., which is quite annoying, but I guess this came in free. I thought it was going to be a smaller palette. I don't know how I feel about the color scheme with this, so I'm thinking about putting it in the giveaway. So if anyone finds maybe that would be a good idea, to leave a comment down below if you would like to participate. And then I actually wanted my liquid eyeliners. I got two different ones that I wanted to try. They are both white, and I wanted to do it with the blue palette, so I'm glad that these actually came in, so I'll be able to try these out today. And I got a new setting spray. I wanted to try this one since Urban Decay, I do get oily, but I want this one first. Ooh, almost dropped that same palette again. It depending on certain days, it makes my face look dry under the eyes. And I'm really disappointed because I already did my eyebrows and I wanted to try this eyebrow pencil, so I guess I'll try that next time. And then I got a gold eyeliner. Anyways, enough with that. We're gonna go ahead and go in with the color Clued In, and I'm gonna stick that right into the crease. Okay, so when you put this color, it kind of just like sticks in the place that you just put it. I noticed that problem with darker blues, so let's see if we can make this work. Okay, I finally somewhat blended it out. I'm still having a bit of trouble, so I think I'm gonna sit here a little longer trying to make it look like it's not completely patchy. I'm getting a little frustrated, so I'll be right back. Okay, that didn't take too much effort, but it was a pain just to get it blended out properly. Again, I just struggle with dark blues, even that this palette is like really nice so far. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do a crease cut, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna get a little bit of Clued In, and I'm gonna stick that right on the corner. See if I can get rid of any like harsh lines between the crease. And with a damp brush, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the color Mad About You. Then I'm just gonna place that on the outer crease. The next color that I want to go in with is Tide Pool, and that is this aqua teal blue right here. And then I'm pretty much going to put that on the center lid. And again, I damped my brush so it can pick up some of the color. Really pick it up a little better, a little easier. And I'm kind of going on top of the color that I put on here previously, just to blend them two together, so that way I don't have a harsh crease or a harsh line. Right, and then the next color is going to be Billie Jean, and it's a silver color in the middle. And then we're just going to put that on the inner lid. I'm still struggling a bit on what eyelashes I should pick out. I asked a friend, if she doesn't get back to me, I'll just pick any random one. But we're going to go ahead and finish the bottom lash line. And I'm going to go ahead and go in with the color Fine China, and that's this really ocean blue color here at the bottom middle. I'm going to go ahead and just stamp that on the bottom lash line. And then slowly blend it out towards the center of the lower lash line. This color we're going to go ahead and go in with is this like purplish violet blue called Dabadi. And then I'm just going to dab that on the center of the lash line. On the pan, but when you actually place it, it's a very, very light blue. It almost looks like a similar color to Moonlight. I'll go ahead and go in the color Billie Jean, and I'm going to put that right in the inner corner lash line. Then for the inner corner highlight, we're going to go in with the color Lumi. And we're just going to go ahead and pop that right in the corner. The color almost reminds me of one of the ones from 39L Hit the Lights palette. Okay, I tried the ColourPop one. It comes off a very watery, very faint, and it kind of like it acts like a water paint. So when you apply it on the line, on your skin, it tends to pull away the color, and it makes it look washed out more than the white standing out. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the NYX liquid eyeliner, and it seems like it works better. It's very liquidy, so you need to be careful. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see it, but I used Pulled Shoulder and Gold Breaker for highlighter. Again, I have purchased this palette, so I'm going to continue using it until I have no more highlighter. Lashes and some lipstick, and we're almost done. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Morphe setting spray. Again, I have not used this before, so this is my first time trying this out. It's very light. It feels like it doesn't touch your face really, unless there's like air to it. Found it. Sorry, I had a hair. But it smells like baby powder mixed with something else, so it does have a scent to it. It's not a bad smell, and I like the lightweight feeling to it. And this is the finished look. I am using the Opulent, I think it's Opulent Noir House of Lashes, the synthetic. I think they only sell synthetic, so. But if you like the video and you like the look, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe, and I'll definitely catch you guys later. Bye.